Okay, I have to make 4 short films in one day. So usually I make 2. I mean, 4 is just basically do that thing I do once a day, twice. Yeah, that doesn't help, it's still a lot. How to make a short film? Okay, I could, I don't know, add some heroic score and sit all majestically. No, that won't work, no. How about this?
Everybody.
That's not gonna work either, no. How about an action scene? An action scene will work. Yeah, Michael Bay does those all the time. Action scene, yeah. Hi guys, this is my short film. It's about me jumping out of a window and like not actually jumping out because I'm a superhero, and there's gonna be an explosion because explosions make things better. That wasn't an indirect joke, by the way. Let me just put these jeans. Okay.